Hey guys, today we will be throwing on the Spec-D headlights for the Scion FR-S, Subaru BRZ, and Toyota 86. Amongst other things, we will be throwing on a new bumper because my bumper has seen better days, as well as some Victory Function carbon fiber fenders that I recently picked up for a pretty good deal. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we have going on. Alright my dudes, so this is the old bumper. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lot of rock chips. If you drag your finger across my bumper, you're going to feel a lot of nasty little things. As you can tell down here, it's also super duper scratched. I hit a cat when I had my supercharger, and it dented my intercooler, completely cracked my bumper. So we're getting rid of this one. This is the new one. As you can tell, it has the new grille, the new emblem. Everything's nice and clean, pristine. Super excited to put that in. We have the Victory Function carbon fiber fenders. If you look at that, we gotta clean them up a little bit, but if you look at that, looks super duper sick. We have the TRD aero fins on the side, also made of carbon fiber. Alright, so we will be taking care of these Windjet headlights. They have gone all yellow, I don't know if you can tell, and they're super rough. They just look disgusting, so we're gonna replace them with the Spec-D headlights. So the headlights are off the car, and you can tell that they're just heavily oxidized. Look at that, it's all green and yellow. It's absolutely disgusting. I've used every AutoZone product to try to remedy this, but nothing just seems to work. So I'm gonna have to re-sand these and re-clear them just to go ahead and restore them. We'll probably make a video on that later on. Guys, your end result should look something like this. You're going to tap the yellow wire with the red, and you're going to tap the white wire with the green, and from there you should have two more wires, or two black ones. They're not here because I didn't tap into this black one here. Those are going to be your grounds. I went ahead and combined both of them and I ran them through here, and I kind of J-hooked them around this ground point right here. There's already other grounds there, so I just loosened it up and I put them under that and then just tightened them. For the right side, it's going to be a little bit more complicated. I just did a self-tapping screw here from some HID ballast that I took off. So I ran them through around the ABS computer and I just mounted them there, and so far so good. Alright guys, so that was a really quick and brief install of the Spec-D headlights on my 2013 Scion FR-S. If you're wondering what projects I have in the future, I have the MY17 BRZ Performance Package Brembos for the front and rear. I have all the rotors, I have the steel lines and everything ready to go, so I can't wait to show you guys how to do that. Also, I will be going into car reviews. I have a couple friends with some pretty unique cars, and I want to expand my horizons with filming. So I will be going into car reviews. If you're new to the channel, please like the video, please subscribe. I really appreciate you guys for sticking around, and as always, stay blessed. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.